welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing out there? It's another week, it's another lockdown, sort of, sort of. Anyway, I'm here. It is movie night. My kids are in the living room with their mates eating pizza. I'm starving. I'm not going to eat their pizza, but I want to eat something quick because I'm starving. So I thought I'd make a cacophony of things. Well, what I actually did was I looked in the fridge. I thought I'd make some mushroom and some couscous and some seaweed and make a cacophony of something that tastes delicious in my mouth. That's why I thought I'd call it mushroom, seaweed, couscous, cacophony. See, it's not easy to say. Mushroom, seaweed, couscous, cacophony. Yeah, I have to say it slowly, otherwise. Anyway, guys, it's been a good week. Always a good week for me. I'm going to make my mushroom, seaweed, couscous, cacophony. You're going to hang around to the very end. But before I do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button. This is my mushroom seaweed cacophony. Ta-da! This is a starving woman. These are my elements. Mushrooms and the garlic. I'm also going to add a little bit of scotch bonnet. I'm going to cook my spices first, so I'm going to put some of that there. Some turmeric, some cumin, not some cumin actually. I'll take the seasoning. Oh! A lot. Oh! So here's our mushroom and seaweed cacophony. And we're gonna, oh, look at all that steam coming up of it. Beautiful. It's looking so nice. That's gonna last 2 days, that is. Look, we've still got loads more. We'll save that for tomorrow. And I've got my green stuff. I forgot I've got broccoli. If I put the broccoli there. And then we've got our steam plantain. You've got to have your plantain in there, mate. Got to have the plantain.
No more stress. Gotta get up now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now. Gotta get up now. Bring it on back to no regrets. Shaking it off now and bring it on.
So guys, normally in the week when I'm working at home all the time, I like to sometimes break up my day and change my office environment. So I come to Ikea normally and then I have a cup of tea because it's unlimited, and then I do my work on my computer. Well, that is no longer the case. You can't have tea and cake here anymore. You have to book like a restaurant at Ikea. So now I've got to go home and work, which is not what I intended. Oh well, never mind. COVID, schmovid. That's looking lovely, isn't it? You see how gorgeous that looks? So here is a taste test. As you can see, I put pine nuts on the top just to give it more zhuzh. Let's have a taste of the mushroom, seaweed, couscous cacophony. So if you just transfer to being a vegan and you miss eating fishy things, try adding seaweed to your dishes, like your ackee and saltfish, add seaweed. You know, anything where you would have added saltfish or fish, add seaweed. It's really delicious. So guys, I'm hungry. No long thing. I'm not chatting too long. I want to eat my food. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like my video. Music soon to come. For healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. See you next time.
No more stress. Gotta get up now and bring it on